Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the best surface so the bond works. Clean with a solvent, remove rust and old coatings, then roughen with 120-220 grit. Once done, identify the adhesive type: epoxy for gap fill, cyanoacrylate for small fast fixes, structural methacrylate for heavy load, because cure time and strength differ. Prepare clamps or weights now and measure the open time. If it's 1 minute versus 10 minutes, you must work faster. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and wear gloves. Mix precisely to activate the chemistry. Use syringes for 1 or 2:1 ratios and discard mixed excess if working time is limited. Apply sparingly. A thin film or bead ensures close contact. Too much causes gaps and weakens strength. Press parts together, align quickly, and clamp within the open time. This guarantees intimate contact. Control cure conditions. Raise temperature slightly to speed set, or avoid high humidity for sensitive adhesives. Clean squeeze out before full cure to simplify finishing. Allow the recommended post-cure to reach full strength. Many epoxies need 24 to 72 hours at room temperature, while heat can accelerate cure. Once cured, remove clamps, trim or sand excess, and apply finish coatings or paint as desired. To test, apply progressive load rather than a single shock. If failure occurs, check for contamination, incorrect mix ratio, or insufficient clamp pressure. These cause incomplete cure or weak joints. If contamination or major gaps exist, strip the adhesive, reprepare surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.